Alright, so I just started my build on a PC, and I am going to be documenting this whole build, and I've already installed the power supply and the fans, and I've tested them and they work. So here's the build so far. The case is an InPlay Meteor 3. It came with 3 fans that I have already installed, and just recently the power supply has arrived, and I've already installed the power supply unit, and I've taken off this back panel here to show you. See, down here we've got the power supply. It's a Ramsta RM 650 watts of power, and down here we've got all our cables. If you can see, we've got all our cables routed, and then here, so we have the GPU and the 24-pin motherboard wires going through here. So you have that. So here's the 24-pin motherboard socket. For the motherboard, I routed it here so it would be easier to plug in once I install it. So I'll just plug it in like that. Then, what else did I route? I also routed the GPU plugin. This is the GPU plugin, and see here, I've got it ziplocked down right here, and then once I plug it into the GPU, I'm gonna strap this down here so that it will also look nicer. And then I've got, like I said, there's three fans that it came with, so I installed them, and I will show you the lights now. All right, I am now going to proceed with turning on the lights. Let me just turn it on, and here you can see I shortened the 24-pin, the motherboard, with tweezers, and now the fans are running. They're Molex fans, so I have to connect them to the power supply unit, but it's fine. So here are the fans. They're pretty bright, kind of. They're not that bright, but they're okay. And then here's what they look like in the front. Pretty cool, if you ask me. And the fans, they look like rainbow, so it's pretty cool. The lights itself aren't RGB. I mean, the fans itself aren't RGB. It's just the reflection from the lights. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, and that's it for now. See you in the next part.